Hi guys, today I would like to solve the code to demo how to set down the box and set the box unused box in case the box don't have the connection. Same as usual, let me explain the code in briefly. Um, my code always start at the name, code command, and code function. In the main function, I had the author function. For example, clean the screen to clean my CMD, and then bring the program title. I define the sum device here, a router running iOS and one the Nexus device running Nexus OS. I define the backward in the plain test for easy change something, but in the real environment, we must use the guest to hide the backwards for the more security. And I combine the device to the list at the name device. I use the pull with the for process and call the maps. My map gone to the function set unused box and send the device list. In the set unused box, um, I define the variable with the command show IP interface brief session down. This command for the Cisco iOS SE show the status of interface. I had the two variables status and protocols. Um, when we show the interface brief, we had the two column status and protocol. Status column tell me the physical connection port and protocol tell me the layer 2 status. So two column has the downs. Then I and will set the box the unused box and shut down box. So in case status up but protocol down, I will not set box down. Okay, and I had the flat to check the device type, where the device is a Cisco iOS XE or Cisco Nexus, and I had the count box variable to say how many box I configure, and I had the command show interface description to show the results after to complete the configuration. To check the device type, I call the device and point to the keyword device type, and then I will get the result and compare to Cisco Nexus. If the Cisco Nexus, I need change the command to show interface brief session down, right? Because the Cisco Catalyst and Cisco Nexus it has a different command, and in the main code of this function, I use try and except to catch error. One way I use and connect handler of name equal to s at act to device, and then go to the enable mode and use a command send command to send the command show IP interface briefs or show interface brief. Set the result in the output variable. When we get the result is tag has many lines, so I need use the for to check each line and use the sleep lines. I need get the result of status column and the column. Depending on the device type, I need align the protocol index to get the correct value, and then compare the status value and protocol value. After that, I need send the command to set the box description and such a box. Of course, the box MGMT box will not configure. I do same like for Cisco iOS, and then after done the on box, I need start the configuration with the cell config function, and wait 7 seconds for cell processing complete, and send command so in the file description of verify the result and so result in CMD. I use the dictionary with the status inform and so interface keyword in the return to send the result to my main function. In the my main function, after the bool completes on the process complete, I will bring the results and use a function highlight text for maximize reset more beautiful color. Okay, let me show the program. Sorry, topology. I had to divide, right, symbol, right, and this ib and this ib, and I will run the code to verify whether correct my program run correct or not. I run the Python and program name, and my clean screen will clean my CMD, and I need wait a few minutes for the program run, and then I will see the result here. Okay, you see the device 1 had IP10 dot 51 has a 7 box set unused box. Okay, and device 10 dot 52 at the 57 box set unused box. Okay, box from uh, 1 to the 7 has a description equal the box. So at the face grip, you see the box has status up, so you not the box has the connection, so I will not set the box down. And let me cross check. So interface description right from 2 to 8 description and use box, or one status and protocol up, so not shut down and will not description. Okay, and so interface description. Okay, box 1 to the 7 không hai description box up, so cannot shut down box, and box from A to 64 shut down and set unused box. So running session use correct, right? So running okay, box 1 no shut down, right? Box 2 to 7 no shut down, right? From box A shut down and decryption and use. Okay, correct, right? And let me show the startup config to check whether my program set configuration or not correct, right? For set down decryption. Okay, okay, I think the code today not complexity. um, you hope you can apply the code to your job real environment. You can add more device here and say the time in case you want to set down the box, set down the use box. Thank you for watching and see you in the automation automation video. Bye bye.